I learned to sew when I was 3, and I was building with my grandfather in his garage. I started to make boats, and I would never want to sail them in the harbor every time we'd go down. It wasn't what I wanted to do. I wanted to keep on building the boats. So I remember having a really hard struggle trying to figure out what I wanted to do post-high school. And then I would ask my brother, who's a carpenter, "What are you doing today? How are you doing that? Do you have any pictures?" He's like, "Neek, why don't you just do it?" So it was that night that I applied for my carpentry course. I worked with a renovations company for about 6 months, all the while still doing the signs and a couple of like smaller end tables, and people were wanting more and more, and then I got so busy I just quit, and I've never looked back.